friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about some quick curbside deals for the week of the 18th of December. You're opting to pick this up at store, that left-hand box in blue. So do this through your cell phone or a desktop computer. I had more luck this morning doing it on a desktop computer. It wasn't freezing up through the cell phone. Desktop computer was the way to go. Cell phone was freezing. So just to make sure that you get a receipt for IBOTTA rebates in this video, what you're going to do is actually ask the cashier when you're in the store, hey, could you ring this up at a register? If the cashier scans it through a Zebra, which is a handheld gun, you will not get a receipt. So opt for, just say, can you please ring this up at the register? I need a receipt, and one should print for you. If it's done through a handheld Zebra, you won't get a receipt, just to note that. And just to remind you guys, for me, desktop computer is the way to go this morning. For whatever reason, the app kept freezing on me. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about, this is a really good one. So a lot of the Covergirl eyeshadows are on clearance for $2.99. You can find that as a curbside price or in store at the same price. They're doing that for whatever weird reason now at Walgreens. IBOTTA has a $4 back, so it makes it free plus a $1 moneymaker. I would recommend that when you're in store picking up your curbside order to also look for the foundations on clearance and eye products. Open up your IBOTTA app, scan, same price curbside or in-store for clearance merchandise. And, it's just an opportunity to make a little bit of money. So just be on the lookout for this when you're in-store picking up the following curbside deals. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about involves these delicious Toffee Fays. What we're going to do is put 4 of them in a basket, and they're 2 for $5. So 4 of them is $10 on the nose. We're going to load this dollar digital coupon, so it's off of a 12 or a 30 count, and we're getting 12 count boxes, so that $1 should come off for you. Over on IBOTTA, you're going to get 50 cents back per box, so that's $2 as you're grabbing 4 of them. Then over on coupons.com, there's another $1 back for buying one of these boxes of Toffee Faye. The 12 count box will fit perfectly into a stocking, just to note that. So putting 4 of them into your cart, that's $10. Curbside pickup is free, no tax. This is food here in Michigan. We have a $1 digital coming off, so you're going to pay $9. Or you can use some Walgreens cash if you wish, like $5 and pay the $4. And then after the $2 back from IBOTTA and the $1 back from coupons.com, it shakes it out to $6 for the 4 or $1.50 per box, which is a really good price. Okay, so the next curbside deal that we have is the Shea Moisture shampoo. Now, this has been on clearance for a couple of weeks, so it might be a harder item to find. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off. So adding 2 of these to a curbside order, that $5 will come off for you. You'll have to add a little bit more to get your basket to $10. But this product, for whatever reason, I could find 1, but I couldn't find 2. So you might have to root around, see what they might have in your store. You might get lucky, you might not, but I can't even visually show you guys an example of this because I even tried different zip codes and I couldn't find 2 at any store from Nebraska to New York City. So this is a very tall order, but if you can add 2 to a basket, you'd be halfway there to getting some very inexpensive shampoo plus some cheapies. We're going to talk about yet another really nice little stocking stuffer for curbside deal number 3. We're going to grab one of these Crest white strips for $19.99. This coupon was there last week as a for you, so if you might have the same one as this should apply. I'll let you guys also know I didn't photograph the coupon when it came out, so I'm not sure what the expiry date is. So hopefully you can line this one up. I did this last Friday. So putting one of these into your basket for $19.99, free curbside pickup, tax on that, subtracting that $15 coupon, it's $6.19. I used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid $1.19. So if you can line this one perfectly and you do all the same deals as you probably should have the same digital coupon. I mean, this would make a really killer stocking stuffer. Okay, curbside deal number 4, another little stocking stuffer are these really cute Essie nail polishes for $11. Okay, and load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. As you can see, this expires on the 31st, and if stuff starts clearing out on the 26th, load it either way. Looking at the basket, $11. Curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax, and our $3 coupon for a total of $8.66. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.66, a very nice stocking stuffer. The next deal that we have is curbside deal number 5. These are only for you if you look top left-hand corner, so you might have these coupons or you might not. So load this $4 digital for the Maybelline holiday kit, along with the $5 coupon. So load both of the digital coupons to make this deal happen. So these kits are buy one, get one 50% off. So adding 2 of them to a basket, it's $14.98. I'm doing this on a desktop computer because I could not add 2 through the app this morning. Something goofy was going on. Showing you guys the math, it's $14.98. So after all the coupons, it's $6.88. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.88. Perhaps a Merry Christmas to you, or if you have a teenager who loves makeup, a really nice stocking stuffer. Okay, the last deal that we have is curbside deal number 6. We're going to make sure that we have this guy loaded. There's a whole bunch of $3 coupons, so load this $3 off for the Hallmark holiday card. Grabbing 3 of the cards at $3.59, you're looking in that price range. If this dog one isn't your thing, like get something else. But 3 of them is $10.77, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and 3 $3 coupons is coming off for a new total of $2.42. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay 42 cents, and you have 3 beautiful cards for Christmas. While you're in store, I know in store and online, lots of toys are 40% off, but if you want to look at the toys before you buy them and you are in need of some last minute toys or stocking stuffers, lots of toys are between 40 to 70% off over at Walgreens. Check those out while you are in store. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.